With just 2 ingredients, you will make this sweet Nigerian cookie. No butter, no egg, no sugar, no water. Yes, you heard me right. Enjoy this video and see how the magic happened. In a clean bowl, sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour, not self-rising flour, all-purpose flour. After stirring it into a clean bowl, add 1 full cup of condensed milk. Yes, you can use any brand of choice. And after adding the condensed milk, mix it slowly until it turns into a soft, smooth dough. Yes, it will be slightly sticky on your hand, but it's all good. Now it's time to pinch small sizes. The size of the cookie is determined now, so you decide on the size you want to make your sugar cookie. For me, I'll try as much as I can to keep them on a similar size. This helps the cooking time, okay? Place it in between your 2 palms and rub them to get a round shape. Yes, and before I forget, make sure to apply a bit of oil on your palm. You can use any oil of choice. I'm using coconut oil. This gives it a different flavor if you are using an oil that has a fragrance. So roll in between your palms until you get your desired shape. When making the cookie balls, make sure they are even. Try as much as you can, and make sure your baking tray is lined with parchment paper or baking paper. Okay, and make sure to preheat the oven at least for 5 minutes before baking. Bake for 10 minutes and flip the cookies over. This is because you want the both designs that is at the bottom to be at the top. This little patch, this golden patch, you want it at the up and bottom of your cookie. This gives it a unique design. After that, place the cookie back in the oven for another 10 minutes and your cookie is ready. It will be the best cookie you have ever had. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share it to someone that needs it. Okay, bye.